Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix you cannot change the storefront information for your account at this time. So guys, if you are facing this problem on your iPhone, here I will show you the possible solutions to fix this problem for you. So guys, the very first solution to fix this problem is that you will have to just cancel all your subscriptions on your Apple ID. So guys, first of all, open your settings and open your profile, and from here tap on subscriptions. Wait for some seconds, and from here cancel all your subscriptions on your Apple ID to fix this problem and go for the other solution if it doesn't work. So guys, the other solution is that you will have to clear all your purchase history on your Apple ID. So guys, for that, open your profile again and tap on media and purchases, and from here tap on view account, and from here you will have to just clear all your purchase history on your iPhone or Apple ID. So guys, clear your purchase history from here, and after this check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this go for the third solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, for that open your settings and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there is any connected VPN, just disconnect it and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this there is a final solution to fix this problem, that is you will have to change your country or region according to your debit or credit card to fix this problem. So guys, for that just open your profile again, and from here scroll it below and tap on media and purchases, and from here tap on view account, and from here you will have to just change your country or region according to your debit or credit card. So guys, hopefully after all these solutions your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.